you do that on purpose?
Do what, Egghead? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be destroyed by Burnbot!
So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
Flamethrower? No.
Oh, acid? Incendiary grenades!
No. The claws! Yes, claws! Very painful claws!
Well, you should have called him Clawbot, or Delacerator, or Pinchotron 9000, but Burnbot. I mean, that's just false advertising.
I name the robot Sonic! Burnbot, attack!
Blue Leader, this is Yellow Sky. I have eyes on Burnbot. It's on the move. Oh.
Thanks, Tails. Initiate speeding swing surprise.
Get up!
Bail, Tails, bail! Tails, no!
We'll be back, Sonic! Ooh, you are heavy! Seriously, Burnbot. You can stand to burn a few calories.
Keep resting, pal. I'll get you home. Promise. I'll never let anything like this happen to you again.
Sonic?
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that.
I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early retirement.
Early retirement?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some. Trust me, it's for the best.
I'll see you around, pal.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Don't look at me like that. I did what I had to do. And now we're gonna make sure Tails stays retired.
Sidekick tryouts. All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. Resume and references required. Can you believe this?
A resume and references aren't unreasonable, sir.
Especially in this job market. What fool would want to be Sonic's sidekick? Spending every day with him, enjoying his friendship and respect. Not me, that's for sure. Unless... Lousy security camera.
I'm Amy Rose, and I'll be auditioning for the part of Sidekick.
Amy, I know who you are.
Great, because I am fine with nepotism. Oh, and under special skills, you can add juggling and singing. Oh, and the Saints go marching in ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Next!
My biggest weakness? Actually, it's my incredible cowardice.
Oh, improv! I love improv. I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, and the Saints go marching in.
I think you would be a great sidekick for me.
No, Knuckles. I'm looking for someone to be my sidekick.
We'd have to change your name, though. I'm thinking Knuckles Jr.
Okay. Last question. What would you do in a no-win situation?
If I'm with you, there's no such thing as a no-win situation.
Huh. You really get it, new guy.
I do get it, but I'm not a new guy. In reality, I am none other than...
Tails? You cannot be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. I'm a lock. Unless there's something you're not telling me.
Fine, but get ready for the tryout of your life.
Hello,
Eggman!
What are you doing here?
my name is Dr. Eggman, and I'm here about the sidekick position.
What? But you're my arch nemesis.
That's true, but I could be a valuable asset to your organization. For example, I'm a doctor. Not a real doctor, a PhD, but still,
You can't be my sidekick.
all qualified candidates welcome.
Okay, fine. You both can move on to round 2, but neither one of you is gonna be my sidekick.
Who else is there?
Actually, do you validate parking?
Congratulations, you're the third candidate.
Actually,
All right, being my sidekick is no easy task. This competition will test your strength, stamina, and endurance. The winner will be whoever makes it through...
actually, it's whomever.
The winner will be whomever makes it through all of the unimaginable hardships and brings me the red flag I planted atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
Actually, actually, I'm okay.
What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle.
Actually, I'm just gonna lie down in the fetal position and weep.
Give up, Eggman. This job is rightfully mine.
I'm not here to be Sonic's sidekick, you nincompoop. I'm here to get rid of you both once and for all.
Tails!
Sonic, I'm stuck!
Tails, I didn't really want to fire you. I was just trying to protect you.
How? By putting me in more danger?
The plan had holes!
Oh, Sonic! I have one last surprise for you. I took your advice. Burnbot can burn things.
I can't swim.
You're waterlogged! I can't lift you!
Don't worry about me. Get out of here.
That's not how sidekicks do!
I'll be back with a new robot who has an accurate name and super laser eyes. And he'll feed me ham. Evil ham.
About this job. What are the hours like?
Well, it's 7 days a week, but you get your own plane.
Let me in! I demand a callback! Knuckles, what's wrong?
That Knuckles Jr. isn't working out.
Oh. So you're saying you need I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, when it does sings. Oh, Martinella.
Knuckalina!